There is something uniquely enchanting about a beautiful pair of shoes, and today, as I slip into my gorgeous blue ZARA pumps, I am once again reminded of how much joy and quiet magic a single pair can bring into my life. Blue pumps have a charm that feels almost ethereal. Unlike classic black, they carry a touch of mystery, a whisper of adventure, a subtle playfulness wrapped in elegance. This particular shade of blue, deep yet luminous, sophisticated yet spirited, speaks to me in a language only beauty can. The moment I see them resting in their box, with the light brushing softly against their surface, my heart flutters. They are a perfect balance of grace and character. ZARA has captured something truly special with these heels. The sleek, elegant silhouette, the fine craftsmanship, the way the material feels smooth and cool beneath my fingertips. It is a celebration of design and creativity. Every curve, every seam is made to enhance not just the look, but the feeling of wearing them. These are not shoes that shout for attention. They invite admiration in the most effortless, graceful way. When I wear them, I feel a transformation, as if stepping into a version of myself that is bolder, lighter, and somehow even more alive. The high heel gives me that slight lift, that subtle lengthening of the legs that makes every step feel more graceful, more deliberate. I adore the gentle confidence they inspire, not the loud, brash kind, but the kind that radiates from within, quiet and unshakable. Shopping for shoes, for me, is an act of pure joy, almost a ritual of self-love. Finding these blue ZARA pumps felt like discovering a hidden treasure, that beautiful moment when you realize something was waiting for you, something you didn't even know you needed until you laid eyes on it. Holding them in my hands, feeling their weight,